ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਿਸਿਸ नेपाल ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ नेपाल ਮੂਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੁੰਦਰੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਲਵੇ ਦਿਖਾਏ ਗਏ। ਹੁਸਨ ਦੇ ਜਲਵੇ ਦਿਖਾਏ ਗਏ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਮਿਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਿਸਿਸ नेपाल ਕੈਨੇਡਾ एक प्रोग्राम उलीकिया गया, जिस दे विच खास तौर पर लिबरल आगू रूबी सोहता पुजे, जिथे उन्होंने कहा कि कैनेडा दे विच वख-वख कम्यूनिटी के लोग रहंदे ने। इस तरह ब्रैम्पटन शहर की गल करिए तो ब्रैम्पटन शहर दे विच भी वख-वख कम्यूनिटी के लोग जिहड़े ने रहिंदे ने। तो इस तरह नेपाल मूल के बहुत सारे लोग इत्थे ब्रैम्पटन दे विच वसे हुए हैं, जिस करके ये ईवेंट हर साल कराया जाता। तो इस मौके उन्होंने दर्शकों को की भी तुहानूं सुना देंगे।
This is Srishti, your Mrs. Nepal Canada 2024, and also the pageant director and mentor for Mrs. Nepal and Miss Nepal Canada 2025. This has been a vision and dream of so many women together, and we have brought this event to empower the women in our community and to help them stand for themselves and amplify their voice. Today's event is a hard work and sleepless night of so many people. Thank you so much for being here and supporting. Women like us need your support, and we will make wonders happen. We have 10 finalists in both Miss and Mrs. category, and I'm very proud to say that 2 of the finalists are one from Yellowknife and one from Halifax, and rest of them are from Ontario. So we have brought women from all the corners of Canada together from Nepalese diaspora, and we hope to be able to touch your lives also with the message of women empowerment. Thank you so much.
Anji, it's nice to see Nepali community de bahut jo events hai ne din par din they're getting more active, and it's really nice to see them celebrate. The Nepali community in Canada has been growing over the last decade, and I just want to wish them all well and a lot of success on today's event. Anji, multiculturalism is very important, and of course the Nepali community is a strong, committed, very dedicated and hard-working community in Canada, and so ehita Canada di khoobsurti hegi hai. This is why the Liberal Party of Canada has always endorsed equity and inclusion, and has always stated that diversity is our strength. And I just want to thank the organizers and all of the contestants that are participating here today. I want to wish them all the very best.
I'm very, very glad and happy to be part of it as a mentor. So मेरा काम यही था, जो भी फाइनलिस्ट है, जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, उनको योगा एंड वेलनेस एंड फिटनेस एंड माइंडफुलनेस के बारे में हम लोग ट्रेन करें। तो ये मेरे लिए भी एक जर्नी था, बिकॉज दिस इज़ समथिंग आई हैवंट डन बिफोर, एंड आई वॉज वेरी स्केप्टिक वेदर आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट और नॉट। बट व्हेन आई मेट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट, जब सबसे मिले हम, वो इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग विमेन है, अलग अलग फील्ड से आ रहे हैं, तो हमें तो बिल्कुल मज़ा आया। इट वॉज अ रियली फन जर्नी फॉर मी सो फार.
There's a very rare occasion where Nepali communities see each other in such a big gathering, so I'm thrilled to be here. It's an opportunity to bring everybody together in one place, just taking a little time out of our busy schedule. So it's great to have such events.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि बहुत नॉलेजेबल है, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, और इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने की वजह से मेरा जो लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस हो गया था, वो अभी थोड़ा सा दिखने को, अपने आप को लग रहा है कि हाँ, मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ। देखो, आज आपके सामने इंटरव्यू देने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, वो भी मेरे लिए बहुत अचीवमेंट है। पहली बार ऐसे लग रहा है इसमें कंटेस्टेंट बन के भाग लेके मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया, और मेरे जैसे जो अपने आप को लगता है कि कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, एक वुमेन होके कुछ नहीं कर पाते, बस एक बार अपने आप को आगे निकाल के देखो कि आप बहुत आगे तक पहुंच पाओगे, अपने आप को बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्ड कर पाओगे। और जो अपने आप में जो लगता है ना कि हाँ, हम एक लड़कियाँ बस घर के लिए नहीं, हम बाहर भी निकल सकते।
I'm Miss World Universal Icon 2024-2025. Well, I'm excited to be here. I'm a mentor to this group of candidates here this year. I feel it's important for every community to pull women together and to celebrate them and give them a platform. Pageantry is a great way to go about that. So I'm excited for year 2 and to be part of it. Yes, absolutely. This is, as you see around us, all of the Nepali community and supporters from all over Brampton and probably the city are here today. Pageantry is not just about celebrating the individual, it's about celebrating families and communities, because together we nurture women to be who they're supposed to be and to pursue their ambitions within our community. I feel like the South Asian community especially loves anything that's fashion and media, so pageantry and fashion shows absolutely pull the community together, because it's how we can, again, celebrate women and designers and really the entire community where creative minds really come together.
Experience बहुत अच्छा रहा मेरे हिसाब नाल जेड़ा Mrs. Pageants हर culture तो शुरू हो रहे ने जिदा नेपाल दा हैगा I think दूजी countries दा भी हैगा. It's a really nice effort to show other cultures, other countries, and the beauty, of course, in the women that they have in those countries, exported here in Canada. ये साडी country है जिथे इन्ने pageant होंदे ने अलग-अलग countries तो साडी Miss Canada दा याद ही नहीं हुन मैनू लगदा. We see all the different beautiful women, and I think it's a great initiative, and I wish them really well, and I hope they continue to grow.
Oh, it has been an incredible journey. I really have been fortunate to get the chance to participate in this journey, and I already don't know who is gonna be the winner, but I already feel like a winner of my own journey. I'm very fortunate to be part of this journey. In this diaspora, people are encouraging this cultural preservations, right? So people from in our contest today, we have friends from Halifax and Nova Scotia and Yellowknife. So that means bringing culture of different places, even in the people in Canada, together.
Looking forward to this event because I was here last year for Mrs. Canada Nepal event. It was an amazing event, and this is going to be an even super amazing event. Today, they are also doing Miss Canada Nepal, and my sister-in-law, she's also participating in this event. Huge shout out to her, and I'm also a sponsor and for this event from my company is BST International. It's a research and innovation consulting company. So huge shout out to organizer, sponsors, and the participant. They're gonna rock this event, and all the best to my sister-in-law, Princess, about that.